A living fence is a wall created with plants. It's not just a barrier, but a vibrant, breathing part of your garden. It's a natural and beautiful way to create privacy in your garden. These green walls can be made from a variety of plants, from tall trees to dense shrubs, offering a unique aesthetic. Unlike a traditional fence, a living fence is alive and constantly growing, adding color and texture to your outdoor space. As the seasons change, so does the appearance of your living fence, making it a dynamic feature. It provides a habitat for birds and beneficial insects, promoting biodiversity. This natural habitat can attract a variety of wildlife, turning your garden into a lively ecosystem. Living fences are also a sustainable choice. They help reduce the carbon footprint by absorbing CO2 and releasing oxygen, contributing to a healthier environment. They are made from renewable resources and require fewer materials than traditional fences. Plus, they can be easily maintained with eco-friendly gardening practices. They can even help to reduce noise pollution and improve air quality. The dense foliage acts as a natural sound barrier and filters pollutants from the air. A living fence is a great option for any homeowner who wants to enhance their property's privacy, beauty, and environmental friendliness. It's an investment in both your home and the planet, offering a multitude of benefits that go beyond just privacy. Selecting the right plants is crucial for a successful living fence. Consider your desired height, density, and overall aesthetic. Bamboo is a fast-growing option that can create a tall and dense screen. It comes in various varieties, offering different colors and textures. Arborvitae is a popular choice for its evergreen foliage and conical shape. It's a low-maintenance option that provides year-round privacy. Hedges, such as privet or boxwood, are classic choices for formal living fences. They can be pruned into various shapes and sizes to create a manicured look. Planting your living fence correctly is essential for its long-term health and growth. To begin, start by preparing the soil. This is a crucial step that ensures your plants have the best possible start. Loosen the soil thoroughly and amend it with compost to improve both drainage and fertility. This will create a nutrient-rich environment for your plants. Next, dig a trench that is slightly wider than the root ball of your chosen plants. This extra space allows roots to spread easily. Space the plants according to their mature size. Proper spacing is key to ensuring that each plant has enough room to grow without competing for resources. Gently remove the plants from their containers and loosen any circling roots. This helps the roots to establish more quickly in their new environment. Place the plants in the trench, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. This positioning is crucial for proper growth. Backfill the trench with soil, firming it gently around the roots. This helps to eliminate air pockets and provide stability for the plants. Finally, water the plants thoroughly to settle the soil and provide the necessary moisture for the roots to start growing. Consistent watering is essential in the early stages to help your living fence establish itself and thrive. Section 4. Nurturing your living fence care and maintenance. Once planted, your living fence needs regular care to thrive. Water it deeply and regularly, especially during dry periods. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilize your living fence in spring with a balanced fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. Prune regularly to maintain its shape and size. This also promotes bushier growth. Inspect your living fence regularly for any signs of pests or diseases. Treat any issues promptly to prevent them from spreading. Section 5. Enjoying the fruits of your labor, the beauty and benefits of a living fence. A well-maintained living fence is a sight to behold. It stands as a testament to the care and effort put into nurturing your garden. It adds beauty and value to your property, while providing privacy and a sense of seclusion. The lush greenery creates a natural barrier that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It also attracts wildlife, creating a lively and vibrant atmosphere in your garden. Birds, butterflies, and other beneficial creatures find a safe haven within the foliage. Living fences offer numerous environmental benefits. They act as natural air purifiers, absorbing pollutants and releasing fresh oxygen. They help reduce noise pollution, improve air quality, and provide shade, reducing energy consumption. The shade from a living fence can significantly lower the temperature in your outdoor space. They also prevent soil erosion and provide a habitat for beneficial insects. These insects play a crucial role in pollination and pest control, contributing to a healthier garden ecosystem. Creating a living fence is a rewarding experience. It involves selecting the right plants, regular maintenance, and watching your efforts flourish over time. By following these tips, you can enjoy the beauty and benefits of this eco-friendly alternative to traditional fencing for years to come. Embrace the journey and relish the transformation of your outdoor space.